In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Jira Activity stream on a dashboard. By the end, you'll be able to see key updates in one place and quickly drill into the details that matter. Start on the top navigation bar and click Dashboards. You can open an existing dashboard if you already have one set up, or create a new dashboard if you prefer a clean slate for this view. Once you're on the dashboard, click Add Gadget. In the gadget directory that appears, use the search field to look for Activity Stream. When you see it, click Add beside the gadget, and the stream panel will be added to your dashboard. Now let's configure it so it shows exactly what you need. Click the gadget settings gear icon. Here you choose what types of activities to display. You might include events like issue created to catch new work as it lands, status changes to understand movement through your workflow, comments added to see conversations and decisions, work log to track effort, and issue resolve to spot completed items. Selecting only the signals you care about helps reduce noise and makes the stream more actionable. Next, refine the results with filters. You can target a specific project or space to keep the stream focused on a single area or filter by team member when you want to follow updates from a particular colleague. Filtering by issue type is useful if you only want bugs, tasks, or stories. If you're working in sprints, choose a sprint to zero in on current iteration activity. And if you already have a saved filter that encapsulates your criteria, select it here to reuse your existing logic. Decide how many activities you want to display. Pick a number that gives you enough context at a glance without overwhelming your dashboard. When everything looks right, click Save to apply your settings. Using the activity stream is straightforward. From your dashboard, review recent project activity as it rolls in, with the newest items at the top. Each entry shows what happened and where, so you can understand updates at a glance. If something needs your attention, click the activity item to open the related work item and take action immediately. Use the stream to monitor team updates, track workflow progress, keep an eye on recent changes, and follow sprint activity as it unfolds. If your feed seems too quiet or too busy, revisit the settings to broaden or narrow the filters, or adjust the number of items shown. The stream reflects your permissions, so you'll only see updates you're allowed to access. That's it. Your Jira activity stream is now set up to keep you informed and in control right from your dashboard.